webercem HB30 is a single-component polymer-modified high-build cementitious mortar designed for structural concrete repairs. It requires only addition of clean water to produce a lightweight, low permeability, high-strength mortar for both soffit and vertical repair situations. The mortar is suitable for repairs to bridges and other structures as specified by the Department of Transport. This product is being formulated to comply with the requirements of BSEN 1504 Part 3 as an R3 mortar. Step 1. Preparation. The area to be repaired should be cleaned and prepared in accordance with the product datasheet. Concrete substrates must be adequately prepared by the use of scabbling, grit blasting, needle gunning, or other means as appropriate. Any contaminated concrete must be removed and all damaged concrete should be cut back to a sound surface and at least 15 mm behind any exposed reinforcement. Once the area has been prepared, the concrete will need to be dampened down with clean, potable water to ensure good adhesion for webercem bond coat. Step 2. Mixing. webercem bond coat is a single-component polymer-modified cementitious bonding aid and still reinforcement primer and should be mixed at a 2.5 parts powder to 1 part water per volume to give a thick, creamy consistency. webercem HB30 needs to be mixed with between 2.4 and 2.7 litres of clean water per 20 kg bag. Pour the water into a bucket and insert the mixing paddle or blade. Open the bag and slowly add the powder to the water. Mix for 2 minutes from adding the powder to the water. Over-mixing will entrain air and reduce the compressive strength. Step 3. Application. webercem bond coat should then be applied with a stiff brush to the pre-dampened surface and to the prepared reinforcement, making sure a full coverage of the substrate and reinforcement is achieved. Apply the mortar to the substrate by hand. Whilst the bonding slurry is still tacky, compact into the repair, making sure that the reinforcement is fully encapsulated. The minimum application thickness is 10 mm. Where very thick sections are required, multiple applications may be necessary. Once the repair has been packed out to the final surface, it can be finished with a plastic float. To remove any trowel marks, the repair mortar can be finished by gently rubbing with a damp sponge. This will leave a slightly textured surface ready to receive an anti-carbonation coating. webercem HB30 and webercem bond coat are stable to freeze-thaw conditions, but following good concrete in practice, they should not be applied in freezing weather or onto frozen surfaces or at temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius. webercem HB30 has many uses, including structural concrete repairs, particularly where high overhead build is required. Repairs to bridge and highway structures. Repairs to car parks, soffits, bridge decks, and columns.